temptation is universal. It says, no temptation has overtaken you except what is common. Say with me, common to mankind. It means nga temptation has something to do hit aton everyday nga decision making. Say with me, decision making. We need to understand, we need to choose what is right. Piliun naton permanente kung ano iton tama. Now, how can we know what is right? Okay, David, may daniya David gin right. Nagsaring David, how can a young man keep his way pure? Okay, say with me, how can a young man keep his way pure? Hiyagya pa nag-answer, by living according to His Word. Okay? Say with me, by living according to His Word. Kang kanay Word? Kan Jesus. So it means we need to know, we need to understand His Word.